ඉතින් අදිනි මේ nervous system එකේ neuron එක ගැන කරා අපි නේද? neuron parts of neuron මම ඒක යන්දා මට මතකයි. නේද? මම ෂෙයා කරලා තියෙනවා අර තේන අඳින්න වෙලා යන හින්දා මම අඳින්නේ නැහැ. ස්ක්‍රීන් එක ෂෙයා කරන්න. හරි. And actually mainly there are two parts that first one is cell body, other one is extensions. Then extensions are two types. One is dendrons or dendrites, other one is axons. Therefore, neuron consists of three parts, right? Cell body and axons, and other one is dendrons. Right? Various parts have been described. කතා කරන්නේ කලින් මේ තියෙන parts ටික අද ලියන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් මුලින්ම ලියන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙම. මම නෝට් එක පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩිපුර දෙනවා මේකේ මේ ගොඩාක් ඔයාලගේ පොතේ නැහැ නමුත් ඒක අපි දැනගන්න ඕන නියුරෝන් එක ගැන. Right, let's write down. ඔයාලා මොනවා හරි නියුරෝන්ස් ගැන ලියලා තියෙනවද? නියුරෝන්ස් ගැන මොනවා හරි ලියලා තියෙනවද? මොනවා හරි ඩිස්ක්‍රිප්ෂන් එකක් ලියලා තියෙනවද නියුරෝන්ස් ගැන? නෑ නේද? කාමිනේ ලියුවත් මොනවා?
diagram එක අන්ද විතරයි.
අන්ද විතරයි නේද? හරි ලියන්න කියනවා. Write down nervous tissue contains neurons and glial cells. Write down neuron, next subheading neuron. මට මතක මොනවා හරි ලියුවයි වගේ. Write down.
මේ neuron has a dendrite and axon කියලා ලිව්වා. ඒ ලියලා තමයි neuron එක යන්නේ.
right හරි තමයි. එනේ අරක ලියන්න එපා මට මතකයි මොකක්ද මම දුන්නා. ඒක neuron වල තියෙනවා dendrites and axons. and මෙන්න මේ ටික මෙන්න මේ ටික තියෙනවා neurons has cell body, dendrites and axons. Neuron has cell body, dendrites and axons. ඔක ලියලා ඇති. හරි. Next write down the basic structural unit of the neuron nervous system. The basic structural unit of the nervous system. The basic structural unit of the nervous system is the neuron. Is the neuron. Is the neuron. Okay. First one, write down cell body. neuron එකේ cell body එක ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් use කරලා ලියා ගන්න. First one write down cell body. Cell body. Each neuron possesses a cell body. Each neuron possesses a cell body. Cell body. Cell body. It contains a nucleus. Next point. It contains a nucleus. Nucleus. And other organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and other organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, etc. Except centrioles. Except centrioles. Underline it. Next one. Nissls granules. Nissls granules. NIASSL. Nissls granules. And rough ER. Nissls granules and rough ER are present. Nissls granules and rough ER are present.
සර් කලින් පොයින්ට් එකයි කියන්න.
Nissls granules නේ. Nissls
කලින්
granules.
එක. ඊට කලින් එක.
ඊට කලින් එකද?
Each neuron
මොකක්ද මං කිව්වේ?
each neuron possesses
Each neuron possesses a cell body. Each neuron possesses a cell body. It was monkey. It contains a nucleus, other organelles such as Golgi apparatus, Golgi apparatus. I want to Golgi apparatus. Nothing, net? Nothing. Nothing? Not there. Right. ඒක ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන් වුණාද? අනිත් ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන් වුණාද? පුළුවන් වුණා නේද?
සර් දැන් කියව ටික තමයි ලියාගත්තේ.
එතකොට ලියුවා මේ processor cell body which it consists of other organelles such as Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, etc. කියලා කිව්වා etc and except centrioles. නේද? except centrioles. ඊට පස්සේ අනිත් එක තමයි Nissls granules. GRANULES, Nissls granules. And rough ER are present in the cell body. Are present in the cell body. Right, next point. Dendrites. Next subheading, dendrites. Dendrites. Write down. Nerve fibers which conduct. Nerve fibers which conduct. Nerve fibers which conduct impulses towards the cell body. Nerve fibers which conduct impulses towards the cell body are called dendrons. Are called dendrons. Are called dendrons. Stroke dendrites are called dendrons. Stroke dendrites. ඔය දෙකම එකක්. Next point. They are small. They are small, relatively wide. Relatively wide. Relatively wide. And break up into, they are small, comma, relatively wide, comma, and break up into fine terminal branches. Fine terminal branches called. Fine terminal branches called dendrites. Dendrites. ඒ කියන්නේ dendron එක බෙදලා ගිහලා අන්තිමේ dendrites බවට පත් වෙනවා. අපි ඕක dendrites කියලා මතක තියාගන්න ඒ ඇති. Right? Fine terminal branches called dendrites. Next. No myelin sheath. No myelin sheath. Dendrites වල myelin sheath එක නැහැ. No myelin sheath. Right, next one, axon. Axon. Next subheading, axon. Axon. Write down. Nerve fibers which conduct impulses. Nerve fibers which conduct impulses. Nerve fibers which conduct impulses. Nerve fibers which conduct impulses away from the cell body. 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 Are termed axons. Away from the cell body are termed axons. Termed axons. Next point. They are thinner. They are thinner. THINNER. They are thinner. They are thinner than dendrites. And maybe several meters long. They are thinner than the dendrites and maybe several meters long. Next point. The end of action, the end of an action, the end of an action breaks up. The end of an action breaks up into many fine branches. The end of an action breaks up into many fine branches with swollen endings, swollen, S-W-O-L-L-E, swollen endings called synaptic knobs, S-Y-N-A-P-T-I-C, synaptic knobs. Right, next point. The membrane which surrounds the axon is the membrane which surrounds the axon is the membrane which surrounds the axon is axon membrane. The membrane which surrounds the axon is axon membrane. Axon membrane. Next one. Axon is surrounded and insulated by. Axon is surrounded and insulated by. Surrounded and insulated by. Axon is surrounded and insulated by a fatty F-A-T-T-Y, a fatty myelin sheath. A fatty F-A-T-T-Y, fatty myelin, M-I-E-L-I-N, myelin sheath. A fatty F-A-T-T-Y, F-A-T-T-Y, fatty myelin sheath. Axon is surrounded and insulated by a fatty myelin sheath. Next point. The thickness of the myelin sheath is uniform along the axon. The thickness of the myelin sheath is uniform along the axon. The thickness of the myelin sheath is uniform along the axon. Next point. The myelin sheath is interrupted. The myelin sheath is interrupted at intervals. The myelin sheath is interrupted at intervals by the nodes of Ranvius. The myelin sheath is interrupted at intervals by the nodes of Ranvius. The myelin sheath is interrupted at intervals by the nodes of Ranvius. Next point. The main purpose of myelin sheath is myelin layer is the main purpose of myelin layer is to increase the speed of myelin layer is to increase the speed of impulses which propagate along the myelinated fiber along the myelinated fiber along the myelinated fiber along the myelinated fiber ඒ ඇති කොට ඔය ටික පොඩ්ඩක් දැනගත්තාම ඇති motor neuron කියන්නේ right කොට ඔන්න nervous system එකේ neurons තියෙනවා ඊට පස්සේ කියන්නේ neuroglia next one neuroglia next subheading neuroglia neuroglia stroke glial cells glial මේක ලියලා තියෙනවා stroke glial cells neuroglia stroke glial cells the purpose of myelin layer is to increase the speed of impulses which propagate along the myelinated fiber. ඒක තමයි අන්තිමේට කිව්වේ. round that මොකක්ද දෙන්නේ මට කියන්න බලන්න round that මොකක්ද ඔතන කොයි වාක්‍යයද ඒක හරි next one එතකොට ඕක තමයි then those are the structures of motor neuron හරි ඒ ටික පොඩ්ඩක් දැනගත්තාම අපි ගොඩක් ඕකේ වුණා ඊළඟ ලියන්න neuroglia or the glial cells neuroglia stroke glial cells next subheading right now neuroglia support the neurons neuroglia support the neurons neuroglia support the neurons neuroglia support the neurons neuro and provides nutrients support the neurons and provide nutrients to the neuron and provides nutrients to the neuron and provide nutrients to the neuron neuroglia or glial cells subheading neuroglia or glial cells next write down under this one neuroglia support the neurons and provide nutrients to the neuron Then other functions of them are, let's write down, the other functions of them are insulation of nerve cells. The other functions of them are insulations of nerve cells. Next, replenishing neurons. Next one. Replenishing of neuron. Replenishing of neuron. And sometimes modulate neuron functions. And sometimes modulate neuron functions. This one. This one. Okay, it is given that then other functions of neuroglia are insulation of nerve cells. Other one is replenishing neurons and sometimes modulate neuron functions. Sometimes modulate neuron functions. Right. Then these are the structure of neuron. ඔක තමයි neuron වල structure. හරි ඒකත් මම neuron එකේ structure එක අඳලා තියෙනවා. ඔයාලට පේනවා ඒ කියපු කොටස් cell body එක, dendrites, axons and as well as synaptic knobs. Then here I am not going to explain axon hillock, right? Nodes of Ranvier. Then ඔයාලට මේ ටික දුන්නොත් පොඩි සටහනක් ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙනවා. හරි පොඩා ලොකු එකක් නෙවෙයි පොඩි සටහනක් ෂෝට් නෝට් එකක් වගේ පොතේ එච්චර විස්තරයක් නැහැ මේ ගැන නමුත් ඔයාලා මේ ටිකවත් අදම ලියා ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. This is about the nervous system. ඔක nervous system එක. Right, nervous system consists of neurons and neuroglia. Then we have discussed about this both neurons and neuroglia. Then next one we are going to study connective tissues. So connective tissues වල ඔතන මේ පොඩක් කතා කරලා නැහැ connective tissues වල. පොඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් කතා කරලා තියෙනවා. හරි. එතකොට මම මේකෙන් පොඩ්ඩක් නෝට් එක පොඩ්ඩක් වැඩිපුර දෙනවා. මොකද මේ connective tissues අපිට කියන ප්‍රමාණයට පොඩ්ඩක් දැනගන්න ඕනේ. Right. Here the what is then actually connective tissues. The actually name stands for the meaning. Connective. Connectives mean the tissue that the type of tissue that connect each of the organs in the body. An example, blood. Blood is the type of connective tissues. Blood. Actually, the blood connects the various organs in the body. Then blood can even blood, red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets. They are connections. Then the hormones, in terms of nutrients, oxygen. Right? So, what is hormone? Connections, connective tissues. थोड़ा फिलहाल में एक body साथ body वाले तीन organs साथ connection है. Those are known as connective tissues. So connective tissues are 3 different types of connective tissues. So वर्गीकरण ने classification ने को ओके दिया है. Different types of connective tissues है ना मैंने में connective tissues. Right. Here on the connective tissues. Then first one is proper connective tissues. Proper. Classification ने कौन है हम negative वाला निम्नों ने किया है proper connective. Proper connective. proper connective tissue. Right? Proper connective tissues can there are two types of proper connective. Aerial. Other one is adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. The other one is reticular tissue. Then you see, these are the proper connective tissues. Other one is vascular tissue. Then proper connective tissues are two types. So, proper connective tissues are the dekak. Ekak තියෙනවා loose connective tissues. වර්ගීකරණය වුණ proper connective tissues are two types. Loose connective tissues. Connective. මම මේවා වෙන්න හේතු මම කියනවා පස්සේ. Other one is dense connective tissue. Dense. Then there are three types of proper connective, loose connective tissue, areolar tissue. Areolar tissue. Second one, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Third one is reticular tissue. Reticular. Dense connective tissues are two types. White fibers. White fibers. Fibrous tissue. Second one, yellow fibrous tissue. Right. Other one is vascular tissue. That means the tissue which has the fluid. And fluid tissue එක තමයි vascular tissue කියන්නේ. එහෙනම් දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Blood. Other one is